In the Concepts and Terms lab, we will discuss how to set up the lab infrastructure. First of all, you need to create a folder, which we will simply refer to as Path to Lab, for the lab on your own computer. You would then need to copy the files from the Working Files folder, the folder for labs, a subfolder called Start. You would need to copy the entire structure from that location to the new folder that you just created. The next step is to create the lab database. To keep things in line with the current code base, you would create a MySQL database called suitescomplete_lab. You would need to create a database user, suitescomplete, with the password equal to password. You would then need to assign rights to the suitescomplete_lab database. You would then perform an import from the working files folder, labs, start, suitescomplete_lab.sql. This will give you all of the initial data plus extensive test data, which can be used to verify that your code is working. If you do need to change the database name, database user, or password, simply modify the rights assignments in model init.php. You will then need to verify the existing functionality. From a terminal window or command line prompt, change to the Path to Lab folder that you created earlier. You can then test the installation by using the built-in PHP development server. The command would be php space -S localhost colon 8080 space -t space public. What this does is it sets up a web server on port 8080. The reason why we use this port is to make sure that you do not interfere with any other existing web servers that might possibly be running on your computer. The -t parameter indicates the document root. In this case, the application code as it stands has the document root as public. This is done for security purposes so that users can only see files from this structure on down and they do not see the actual source code itself. You can then verify the functionality of the application. You should be able to view products, members, etc. If you wish to log in, the login names are the email addresses. All passwords are set to password. The admin login is admin@suitescomplete.com.